I did that last time, rolled it right over.
Really?
Oh yeah. You didn't watch that video?
I don't think I did.
I'll teach you to grab my kayak. Yeah, I got it on. I had it on when you grabbed me too, and it got put up on that rock. So
you heard me.
So I heard you. Yeah.
Everybody heard me.
Do to do. Do to do. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
This is Katie.
60-cent piece.
Oh, I have a fucking needle here. Uh-oh, that's your fishing line. Ah.
Oh, you're fine.
Oh.
Right here. It's right here, don't worry.
Ooh. I was just like cruising along, like, oh.
There's your stuff right there. By those rocks.
I guess I better.
What's up?
I was gonna say, I guess I better reel my line in here so I can paddle, and George turned me backwards.
Jason, I don't know if you know this, but there's a rock there.
With your camo fishing cowboy hat and your cherry smoke hanging out.
Cherry smokes. George turned me backwards. I'll see how far I can get.
I don't think you're getting far.
Well, it looks like you're going to split those rocks, or they're not going to split so easy.
Jared, we need to go right.
You go left. That way. Oh, you should have went that way.
Lisa was way ahead of us. Now she's behind us.
You're the star of the show, Jason.
That would suck to get stuck on those rocks. Well, may as well fish. Oh, I just missed that.
This is the Jason show.
Itchy and scratchy.
That was quick.
I better turn
This is
around.
the spot, I do think. Because it looks like there'd be a shelf the whole way across right here.
Looks like there's probably a rock right there.
It wasn't very far down.
Yep, big rock right there. Big rock right there, George.
Uh-oh. Oh!
Just as he said that, George, I watched him go whoop. Come on, Katie. What's it behind you?
Shelf right there.
Rock there.
Did she?
Yeah.
Who, Scott?
Katie flipped.
Katie flipped it.
Oh.
Lisa's trying to help her, but
Is she alright?
That's the exact same spot on the day that Sarah got stuck. You're going right there with the rock.
oh, really?
Everybody waits right there by the rock.
Yeah.
Is she okay?
You almost flipped her. That's the same spot where you had got stuck when she flipped. Because everybody waited here.
You alright?
You okay?
Is the water wet, Katie?
I was scared that was going to happen to me too there. She went right over.
Yeah.
Kayak over, she went under all the way.
Oh.
The boat just completely filled with water.
Why did I follow Lisa?
Don't follow me, I'm not on the rock.
Oh, good.
On the rock, if you want to follow in a kayak. I was trying to get to the middle there.
Uh-oh. Woo! Woo-hoo!
That was slick.
I'll teach you. Catch one
I'm gonna swear once. Only one though.
That looks like a good spot.
Holy.
Perfect
I
spot.
took a beak in my head.
Perfect on.
I'm not in a great spot.
Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy.
I'm just gonna.
Take a bite. Bite it again. It's only little, but
Watch your paddle, George.
it's only little, but I got it. Stop moving, little bastard.
One day he'll be a big boy.
Well, depending on how you fit this hook, it's right in the roof of his friggin' mouth, which sucks. Can't fucking see it. Oh God! Don't film this. Oh wait. Oh shit! Got it out. There we go. Got it. Look at that little baby. He missed the big one.
She doesn't release it.
Oh, got one too.
Okay.
Oh, it's another baby though. You get a good size one?
no. Well, graceful there to the belly.
Well, it's right side up if you're looking upside down.
I was hoping. Well, this one was a little bit light on excitement because trying to capture everything on camera is quite tricky in a kayak. We had a couple of people who did roll over. Everybody was safe and okay. While they were fishing, one of the fish actually jumped into the kayak, with, like, not even on the line. Unfortunately, I did not capture those epic shots, which is unfortunate, but I will aim to do better in the future. So make sure you please like, comment, and subscribe, and we will keep on making the content. Try to do this.